If the moisture level of your plant's too high, like over 80%, it can lead to root rot and stress for your plant.
If your plant is sitting in water, you should act now. Firstly, remove excess water from the saucer to prevent more waterlogging. Place your plant in a bright spot if it's not already. This increases the rate of photosynthesis. However, make sure that your plant does not get direct midday sun. Wait a few days until the moisture levels drop on its own. If the moisture curve does not start to drop after a few days, and/or if your plant is already showing symptoms of overwatering, the next step is necessary. Carefully take the plant out of the pot, remove the wet soil, and cut off any rotten spots if they are dark or muddy, and then place it in fresh, well-drained soil. For the future, water a little less and only when the moisture level is below 30%.
Symptoms for overwatering your plants might be yellowing leaves or dropping vines. Please be patient with your plant. Even if you change your watering habits, it can take some time to recover.